Hello and welcome to my channel again. Hello guys, this is Nishant, your host, your host. So it is December 6th, 2025. It's about 8:45 p.m. So we are having a snowstorm in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. This is my car right there. You can see it's all in snow. Look at this. It's so cold. It's like -17, but feels like -25. And it's snowing. So here you can see the snow and the wind. It's crazy right here. Okay, thanks so much for watching. And yeah, if you're in Edmonton, Alberta, you know, first of all, avoid to go out right now in this weather. But if you're out there on the roads, make sure to drive carefully. Thank you. Take care. Bye.